If you need to prioritize tickets that come from specific support addresses, you can create a trigger to automatically set ticket priorities. To do this, click the product's icon and select Admin Center. In Admin Center, click Objects and Rules in the left sidebar, and under Business Rules, click Triggers. Click Create Trigger. In this example, emails from VIP members are set to high priority, so the relevant support group can quickly address their concern. Enter the trigger name. For example, prioritize VIP tickets. Then, select a trigger category. Under the Meet all of the following conditions, add the condition. Ticket is created. Then, add the condition ticket received at is, and select the support email address. Under Actions, add Ticket Priority, and select your preferred priority. Click Create Trigger. That's it. Thanks for watching.